guys, it's Stacy here with Modern Day Tech. I want to tell you a little bit about the Solo stove that I just got for the holidays. We decided to use it on a not terribly cold winter night when we wanted to be outside and test it out to see how toasty it kept us. The Solo stove is actually really easy to put together. I was a little worried until I saw how easy it was. You just fit the grate right in the bottom on top of the ash pan. There's a little lip that goes around the top. And we chose to use the stand to keep it off of our patio. I'm not sure that that's absolutely necessary, but it did elevate it a little bit, and I feel like it helped with airflow just a tiny bit as well. So I really like using the stand. It was amazingly easy to assemble, didn't take any time. I built a fire using, unfortunately, some wet but very seasoned firewood, and along with 2 pieces of fat wood and 3 little pieces of newspaper. The fire caught really well. It took about 15 to 20 minutes, and by the time it was roaring and going, it was really warm. I was actually impressed that I could still touch the outside of the stove for a long period of time. The heat really builds up and pushes up versus out, so you can sit kind of close to it and still feel warm, but not too overpowered by the heat that it's putting off. It cooled off very quickly once the fire was out. It really only took a couple of hours for it to be completely cool to the touch. And the next day I went outside and put it back inside its cover in the case and put it in the garage. But it was really easy to start a fire. I was very impressed with how the airflow technology really worked. It's going to be a great addition to our outside life, and we love it. I hope this helps you.